Okay guys, good morning. I'm trying to improve on my setup for live stream. I'd like to make some kind of maybe poster to put behind me, and also I need a new holder to hold my camera. I got my brand new microphone coming the next few days, so we're setting up in a professional manner. So I'm gonna meet with Dolly later on, and we're gonna go to Cologne and buy a few things. She knows where to go, and she's gonna take me to the place we went last time. I forgot to do a canvas, something to put at the back there, so we don't have to get a digital background when it's marriage in the Philippines. Okay, let's go. Stop. Hello, miss. I know you. You know better. Nice shirt. Too many people there. Can you see? I have to block your. Oh, we can sit on the edge. To ask Dolly a question. Have you been married before?
No.
Would you like to marry if you find the right man? Yes? Here you are. I keep that in mind. Never know. Give me USB. Everybody don't mind to be filmed? Do you mind to be filmed? Is that okay? Is that okay to be filmed? Okay. Because there's a new regulation. Because I know Filipino, they love to be on YouTube. Yeah, there's only one. This one. Thank you. How about you? You accept to be filmed?
Yeah.
Yeah, you sure you're not gonna sue me? Maybe.
For 400,000, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Okay. Okay, this is my background. Yeah, I see. Lucky it's only 200 something pesos. The pixel can be seen there. Maybe because the paper as well and the photo. It's not the high resolution, but that will do. That will do. I mean, for the price, it's pretty good. I like it. Thank you. Yeah, unfortunately, you know, when you look on the computer, the photo looks a high resolution, but when you print it on much bigger size, it's not that good. But for 200 something pesos, I can only try. So you'll see that the next live stream, so don't miss it. Okay, we gotta go eat. We come back later, pick it up. So I guess you won't see the result until he's hanging behind me. Okay, where are we gonna eat? Her colleagues who took over her today, she had a couple of little problems, so she needs to fix that on the phone. Nobody can do a good work. Nobody can do a good job like you.
Even there's an instruction there, still not followed.
Show was ringing her to ask her how you do this, how you do that. I don't know how they unplug this thing. If it was me, already fired. So, don't looks like it's gonna be here today. Let's go inside. Oh, that chips, yeah, boom, I'm hungry. Large fries.
Oh, really?
No, I don't want a large Coke. Small. Hey, excuse me, it's my meal. It's to me to decide if I want dessert or not. She look after my weight. Okay. You want some?
You can change it, I think.
Change
I'm
what?
not sure. No, if it's too big for you.
No, I don't want to change anything.
Back then.
It's okay. How about you? You want the same or you want to
No,
order
I want
something
chicken.
different? Huh? Okay, so I'll just add this to order.
Where is that?
Okay. Dolly started her order. Start now. She loves the red cheese.
Where is the spicy one? No. What's that?
Yeah, you get a meal. That was quick this time. You must be hungry.
That's it, right? Pick up? Serve?
Yeah, they should serve. Good
Let's
idea.
see.
You got a number 52. I had to do this because she's got mixed up there.
There's the number.
Number 40. You like this number? That's okay. That's Alonso. Car number.
To any.
I didn't give to you.
Huh? Wallet?
We normally always eat downstairs, but this time there's no room. That's okay. Bit of exercise? Yeah. That's good. Oh. Easy here. It's huge. I didn't realize it's so big. You gonna do the dishes too? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Is that 1,000 peso? Ah, well, that's a nice view. We should come here all the time. Look at this.
Very old buildings.
This is great. It's gonna make a nice thumbnail. Yeah, it's a great view behind us.
The buildings. Oh, it's gone.
Okay, it's over here. That's it. Guess what? The chicken spicy. And she's suffering.
I love it.
She love it. I enjoy my burger. We want to look for blue tags and stuff like that, or maybe double-sided sticky tag to hang the canvas. We found something to stick. Ah, 3 a.m. Yeah.
On the right on that one.
Oh, I like to do that too. God. Not the best area, but if you want any part for your bike or car, it's all here. Yeah. That's the one I like. Honda AGV. This is easier to travel around than the one up there, although I prefer this style. I really don't really like scooter. But this one to travel around, it's perfect. You can have the big box at the back I got a subscriber who's been talking to me about buy the PCX 160 is good. 166, this is pretty good already. I mean, you can travel anywhere with that. Otherwise, the ADV. How much for the ADV? This one here.
630.
Is it okay if we film you? Is it okay if we film you? Okay. Okay, we got authorization. So how much for the ADV, miss? This one here. ADV 160.
ADV 160 is, the cash price is 170,630. 170,630. The cash price. But this model, ma'am, is
Ah, it's
Wala pa
funny.
release sa bago. Why 2025? Pero na siya wala.
na siya, pero wala kami anak marag. Feel ko na pa nas Manila. Sagad ka nas Manila.
So ang last nga model is 23?
Yes. 2024 wala pa rin. Hindi mo kung na ang zero or with
Ah, you have to wait 2 months for the plates. You can't take the bike with you, they said.
Yes, you can. But you cannot ride it outside.
You cannot ride. So how you take it home?
Take it home only for the day.
Ah, wow.
So take it. So
Terrible. We can ride midnight when the police is sleeping.
tomorrow din na. You can drive
Okay, we see anyway.
this day.
Thank you for your help.
anyway,
Thank you.
anyway, if you want to buy, you can leave it here till they release the papers.
Okay, we're back here. No bike today. Okay, this is not far from Emo. Okay, we're looking still for that bolt for the desk in the apartment. You want the bolt? Good idea. Okay, we found them. It started raining. That's okay, we're going to Emo for coffee and more. Okay, that's for my new Pro 11 holder, cover, whatever. So, what we take in the street, where does it go? Ah, nothing to close? There is? Where?
Nanagit siya daw.
No,
Magnet mo
there's
na
nothing
siya.
there.
Nanatawag.
180.
180.
Okay, 180 to hold my camera. I will show you which camera. And it's small, the desk is small, it's good. Doesn't take much room on the desk. Okay. Okay, we finish Imol. Let's go and pick up the covers. Very windy.
This color?
Dolly helped me to get some box for home.
What's this for again?
This for my false tooth.
And this is for?
This for my garlic. And this for my apple. When I open and I don't eat all of it, I need to put in a box. So she's picking for me. Yeah, I definitely want the one here, this color. I don't want pink. Okay, from here we need to go and pick up the convert. That's a good idea.
Salamat ha. Salamat kayo.
Thank you. Bye bye. Done. Okay, I hope it's the right size. I don't know. Anyway, you can only try. Huh? Miss Dolly?
Miss.
We can only try, yeah? Okay. Okay, we're going Sabergate now. We'll have a dinner there. Okay? Oh, it's hard to get into those things. My God! I'm not used to it.
Only in the Philippines.
You don't mind a film? Is that okay, a film?
okay, it's
Yeah? Okay. Alright.
We're in the vlog. Yeah. Yeah. This is
See,
Jack.
they're very happy to be filmed, no problem.
This one is a rapper.
He's a rapper?
Yeah. In the Philippines.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sorry, miss. Okay, guys, well, this is a popular rapper in Cebu.
Cebu.
Yeah? You want to sing a song?
Yes. You're a rapper.
Tap, listen.
Yeah, beat.
Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go for a rap song.
Masud ka sa kuha na.
A lot of people in Cebu see this. Maybe an agent will see you and say, oh, it's good, and contact you.
Ito, makuha ba ka, madibilop. Makuntas na gagawas at ito trabaho.
If you want to be successful, you cannot be shy.
Yeah, shy.
Like me, no shy. Yeah, I play drum, sing, I'm happy, no shy. Show,
Wala ka mo.
confident, you're successful. Yeah. What do you think?
Absolutely.
Ah, I heard something.
Tutay pa mas ko ba kay para taga Pinas ko sa'yo.
How we going, boss? You okay? Yeah. Let me see. Okay, be okay. This. Okay, oh. I see if I got some change. And now we going Sabergate. If I film the people on the car, they stop. Let's do something here. Well, normally they stop. They do. Still got some different bread here. I mean, there's not much stuff, but very nice. Mango, raisin, ube, Spanish bread, and very cheap. So we bought some. We're gonna share, and you're gonna jump on a jeepney. Oh, bye bye, Dolly. Sorry, she has to take that thing real quick. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.